Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create cute loading bar in CapCut Mobile. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my CapCut application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on new project, and then I'm going to add background to the cute loading bar. So I'm going to go to the CapCut library, and then I'm going to search for a background. I'm just going to select the white background. Okay, and I'm going to add it to my project. All right, and then we're going to add the loading bar to our project. So we can go to the sticker menu, and then we can search for loading bar. Okay, then you can choose the loading bar that you like, and I'm gonna go with this one guys. Okay, and we can adjust the size. You can zoom in or zoom out like this. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Great. Okay, I'm going to remove the CapCut ending. Alright, and to make it cute, I'm going to add sticker again. So I'm going to go to the sticker, and then I'm going to add a cute thing to the loading bar. Wait, I'm going to try to add cute animal. Okay, for example, this one. And I'm going to adjust the size like this. All right, and then I'm going to use keyframe, guys. You can click on the keyframe icon to make it this cute animal follow the moving bar. I'm going to show you. Okay, we can click on the keyframe. Wait. Click on the keyframe and then adjust it one by one like this. Okay. All right, now it's done, and let's take a look at the final result like this. Okay guys, so that's all the way to create cute loading bar in CapCut Mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.